Alam mo ba na merong two general types of term insurance out there? Ito yung level term and increasing term. So in this video, i-compare natin yung dalawa and tignan natin kung ano yung bagay sa'yo. So maraming naghahanap ng term insurance or maraming gustong kumuha ng term insurance because it's the cheapest form of life insurance out there. So hindi siya katulad ng VUL na meron naka-incorporate na investment na ini-invest sa stock market, yung part of what you pay. Hindi rin siya whole life insurance that insures you up to age 100. Therefore, meron siyang savings component. No? So si term insurance, pure insurance lang siya. Para siyang insurance ng kotse, bayad ka ng 1 year, covered ka for 1 year. Alright? So marami rin kasing naniniwala at nakikinig sa BTID or the Buy Term Invest the Difference concept, wherein bibili ka ng term insurance para insured ka, protected ka, may peace of mind ka for your family, may maiiwan in case something happens. And then the difference, you invest on your own. You invest in the stock market, you invest in your own business, mutual funds, etc. You buy whatever investment that you would want, no, crypto, whatever you plan. Alright? So, kaya marami naghahanap ng term insurance pero hindi nila alam na may mga different types nito. So, maraming different types but I will discuss the two major types na pwede mong pagpilian. So, again, yung increasing term and then yung level term. So, if you look at this illustration para mas madaling intindihin, with the same face amount, with the same coverage, kunwari, ang life insurance is 1 million, right? So, kung 1 million yung life insurance mo, no, si increasing term, nagsisimula siya ng mura at year 1, maybe just about 3,000 plus lang. And then it goes up every year. Yung kulay blue na yan, no, na dyan sa chart, tataas siya. Pataas siya every single year. Kaya siya increasing term, increasing yung premium. Yung level term, level yung premium, pantay siya. So mas mahal siya at first. Like kunyari dito na 7,500 for example. Pero every year, 20 years, hanggang tuloy-tuloy, hanggang age 65, level yung premium mo. So, hindi na siya magtataas. Sure ka na. Alright? So, yun yung dalawang klase. Darating yung time na ma-overtake ni increasing term yung presyo ng level term. Alright? So, depende to sa needs mo. Kung gusto mo lang siya, ngayon ka lang insured, next year hindi na. Or 5 years lang, after 5 years hindi na. That maybe para ka sa increasing term. Kung gusto mo naman na hindi nagtataas yung premium mo para make sure mabayaran mo siya hanggang age 65, then maybe para ka sa level term. So, I took a screenshot of our proposal for a 38-year-old female, right? For both options, no? Yung increasing term, which is sa amin, ang tawag is Guardian 1, and then yung level term, which is Guardian 65. Guardian 1 kasi every year renewable, so nag-i-increase yung price. Yung Guardian 65, fixed na siya up to age 65. So tignan natin kung magkano. Alright, so sinide by side natin, if you can see, sa Guardian 1, right, nag-start siya ng 4,370 pesos lang yung premium for a 1 million death benefit. Alright, so you can see it there. And then magtataas siya ng 4,580, 4,830. Maliit lang yung increases niya, less than 1,000 pesos every year. Alright, unti-unti. Meron na tong rider na waiver of premium for disability. Alright, so kung mapapansin mo, 5,400, 5,700, no? So 6,000, etc. Then medyo tataas na siya. No? Usually makikita mo, medyo significant na yung increase, no? At age, yan. So, age 61, no? 62, ganyan. So, lalo na kapag beyond age 65, no? So, yan, umabot na siya ng 27,000, 33,000 at age 68, alright, 71,000 at age 39, ganyan. Pero renewable siya up to age 84, alright? So, hanggang 85 ka covered. Whereas si Guardian 65, right? Hanggang age 65 mo lang pwedeng i-renew, pwedeng bayaran. Pero level yung premium niya. Mag-start siya ng 8,920, insured ka na ng 1 million. Every year na yan. In fact, pagdating ng age 60, bumaba siya kasi nga yung total and permanent disability, the waiver of premium for total and permanent disability hanggang age 60 lang pwede. So, hindi ka na pagbabayarin by that time, no, kahit hanggang age 65. So, magiging 8,540 siya. Alright? So, doon mo makikita na yun yung difference, no? So if you're getting a Guardian 1, half of the price, no? Yung premium mo at first. Pero kung matagal mo rin tong babayaran, gusto mo insured ka ng hanggang matagal, no? Hanggang age 65 or beyond, di mas mahal na siya by that time. Si Guardian 65 naman, kung gusto mong insured ka hanggang age 65, during your prime working years, habang dependent sa'yo yung mga anak mo, no? Because these are the years na nag-aaral pa yung mga anak natin, dependent ba sa rin hanggang age 65, then at least your life insurance kaya mong i-sustain kasi no, level lang siya, flat lang siya, hindi siya nagmamahal. In fact, by that time, with our sweldo, with our kita, because of inflation, malamang maliit na tong premium na ito. So, nag-side by side din ako for a 5 million coverage. Nag-sample ako for a 35-year-old male. Kung mapansin nyo, si Guardian 1 nag-start ng 14,000 all the way to 120,000 by age 65. Si Guardian 65 nag-start ng 33,800, medyo mas mahal ng konti. And then, no, tuloy-tuloy hanggang age 65, no, 33,000, pantay lang siya. Alright, pero kung makikita, ang gusto kong i-highlight dito, yung total premium, no, almost 1.5 million yung binayaran mo from 35 to 65 for Guardian 1, and for Guardian 65, 1 million lang, no? 1 million lang yung premium. So, almost half of the premiums ng Guardian 65 yung nadagdag dun sa premium ng Guardian 1. Should you choose to pay longer, mas panalo ka sa Guardian 65. So, just to summarize yung comparison nila, yung increasing term, which is Guardian 1, premium goes up as you age. Alright? Si level term, Guardian 65, premium is fixed at age 65 once approved. No, pag na-approve today, kung ano yung premium mo, yun na yun, sigurado na. Alright? Si Guardian 1, increasing term, again, cheaper at first, but eventually gets more expensive. Si Guardian 65, yung level term, more expensive at first, but total premium is cheaper in the long run. Pag tinotal mo hanggang age 65, mas nakatipid ka. Right? Si Guardian 1, walang cash value. Si Guardian 65, nag-grow yung cash value niya over time, usually hanggang age 50. Then pagdating ng age 50, liliit na rin siya, kakainin na siya kasi nga, ang mahal na ng cost of insurance pero same lang yung binabayaran mo. Hanggang magzi-zero siya hanggang age 65. So ang advantage mo nun, let's say when you quit at age 50, kung ano yung cash value niya, pwede mo yung ma-withdraw. Alright? Pero hindi ka na insured when you do that. No? Just like in VUL, ganun din naman. In whole life, ganun din naman. Alright? So may mga attachable riders din to. Kung gusto mong lagyan ng palaman, yung tinapay mo, kumbaga, pampasarap, pampaganda, pwede mo lagyan ng riders. Pwedeng lagyan ng accident insurance, pwedeng lagyan ng medical reimbursement in case of accident. No, I have a video where I talked about na aksidente ako, nagkaroon ako ng tong pinky finger ko, nagkaroon ng na-dislocate in basketball. So, yun, nagpa-ER ako, na-reimburse ko yung ginastos ko na yun. No, so, medical reimbursement due to accident. Hospital income benefit, no, every night of confinement, 1,000, 1,500, yun, pwede ka maka-claim, no, kung mako-confine ka. May critical illness coverage rider for 7 illnesses, major illnesses. Sa Guardian 65 lang to applicable, and then 400,000 lang for every 1 million life insurance. No? So kung gusto mong 800,000, 2 million na life insurance yung dapat mong kuhanin. Alright, so that's for Guardian 65 only. Tsaka 20 years lang yung coverage niya. So kung 25 years old ka lang, hanggang 45 lang yung coverage ng critical illness. So yun yung limitation for this plan. And then waiver the premium na for TPD or the total and permanent disability. Pwede mong ilagay yan in case maging totally and permanently disabled, mawa-waive na yung future premiums. So if you have questions, no, let me know in the chat box, in the comment section. Send me a message and sasagutin natin yan. Alright? And in fact, meron actually third type of term insurance, no, yung tinatawag na joint life. Isa ka lang, isang policy, dalawa na kayo ng insured, no, ng asawa mo, ng parent mo, or ng anak mo, or ng sibling mo. No, may ganun tayo. We have, I did a product review of that, yung AJCP, or the Active Joint Critical Protect. You just watch this video. Alright, right here. That's the third type of life insurance. Kung gusto mo na dalawa kayong insured. But to make it simple, no, so pwede rin yung Guardian 1 or Guardian 65 lang. I can send you a quotation. I just need your full name and your birth date. And then of course, I will send it to you. No? So send me a message in my Facebook page. Just go to DJ Dimaliwat or go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official. Again, if you have questions, then send me a message for quotation requests. Let me know, give me your details, and then I will send it to you. So that's it for this video. See you again in the next video.